Welcome everyone. Welcome to the first day of the build of the Marble Knight run. My goal on this particular build is to go through and get done with 5 steps per day. And that way, there are 25 steps in total, so it should be, a good 5 video series, which seems reasonable rather than the usual 8 to 10 or whatever I've been doing on these last couple that I've done. And even though this seems like a more complex build, I'm surprised how few steps there are, relatively speaking. Now, supposedly these just ease in there and ease in there. And you're supposed to get up here. Get in there. Okay, and then you should be you. Okay. Of course, the picture and the instructions make it look much more easier, less fiddly than this. In there. You're not quite. All right. There's step 1. It was fiddly, but they do seat in those side posts pretty easily. All right. Two. Okay, did go down low enough. Surely this one will be easier since there's just 2 of them. But anybody who's watched any of my videos knows I've got a bunch of famous last words. Okay. And step 2 done. Nice. There. So this one's just gonna Ah, that makes a difference. Yeah. Okay. And 3. All right. Okay, at the bottom, gotcha. Yeah, that may, okay, it doesn't go over, it just goes down. Okay. Yeah, okay. So it just slots down, not down and over like the rest ones, other ones have. Glad I looked at that before I decided to break it. And you. All right. Let's see. Instructions tell me the blank side goes out or up, whichever way this ends up being. Oh. Okay. 16. This one. Okay, yeah, it does slide in. Okay. There's some wiggle room on this one, back and forth, so it does. You do have to pay a little more attention to make sure it lines up to get those notches to drop into place. All right. Now that's step 4. B8 should be the longer one. Maybe go from the straight end. Yeah. Here. Swing. Where are you catching? All right. Ease it in. I'll ease it all the way up. And you. Okay. Didn't think it was going to slide that good. All right. I've still got time to mess it up with this one, though. Don't worry. I have a complete lack of faith in me. That's... And all this time, gotcha. All right. Once you all seated in, and then this goes like this. So it just goes down. Okay. All right. No. And folks, there we have step 5 in under 12 minutes. All right. So these are all our pieces. That's officially become piece D, according to the instructions. This is C, B, and A. Interesting so far. It's unusual for them to start with pieces rather than establishing the base, I think. Been so long since I started that last one. Thanks for watching, guys. Always appreciate all the views. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, all that good stuff that the YouTube algorithm loves. Be good to one another, and I'll see you next time. Bye.